Let's start with the tropics. 30% chance that develops somewhere here in the Caribbean. They initially started this yellow hatched area somewhere over here. Then they extended it over here. I like that because if it does develop here, the sooner it develops, the better chance it has to recurve and go out to the north. All right. Not developed yet. This is it. I mean, that's what we're talking about. So there's no storm out there. There's no named storm. This is not even an invest yet for us to have spaghetti plots on it. But that could happen over the weekend, all right? And then development would likely happen, say, Monday, Tuesday, sometime into the Caribbean. So we've got a lot of time to watch this one. Now, as I mentioned, the models aren't really in full agreement. This is the GFS. This is next Friday. It's not coming out now, but that goes off to the north and the east, all right? The European is much further to the west. It's here in the Western Caribbean. The latest, some runs were actually taking it in here, coming towards Florida, but the latest one comes up to East Cuba and then out. So starting to agree a little bit more with not only those models, but also the AI models. The Google DeepMind forecast model, the AI model, has been doing a really good job. In fact, it's been this year better than any other model. That's pretty much this purple line right now. All right, but this is Wednesday, Thursday time frame. Probably say Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday going out, maybe even later than that. So we're not talking this weekend. We're talking end of next week into the weekend. So there's a lot of time. But you see all three of the models in really good agreement at that point. So this is going to change, okay? But for a trend right now, I like to see that trend, at least for the mainland United States. So folks in Hispaniola, of course, in Puerto Rico, they really have to keep an eye on this. We all do. There's a ton of warm water here. We haven't had any big storms here, right? So the top water, the surface water is very warm, 3 degrees plus in many of these areas, and those are near record high. And the warmer that water is, the more energy there is for the storms, okay? So we're going to watch it. It could be a strong storm if it gets out over that water. Melissa is the next name on the list. And again, if we get that, that would probably be sometime towards the middle of next week. All right, take you back out live right